Today I want to show you how you can search for an image. When you normally go to Google, this is the screen that you see, and you could simply type in whatever you want to look for, whether whatever topic you happen to be doing with your students. And you're going to notice that there's all kinds of information when you do it through Google. I'm going to go back and show you the Google page, and now I'm going to go up to images. And you're going to notice it changed to Google Images. So now when I type in weather, it is going to only show images of weather. No matter what project you're doing with your class, you will be able to use this feature to search and find any image that you would like. So I could pick one of these, or I could narrow it down even more. So it says weather. Now I'm going to add severe for severe weather. And I'm going to place this on large. You're allowed to choose what size of image you want. For the project I'm thinking of with my class, I want one large object. And then you can also even change the size. For right now, I'm going to leave it the way it is. And you can change the color, and I'll show you more of that in just a minute. And we're going to do our search. So now the images are related to severe weather. Okay. To go back and show you just even simple changes to this advanced search. So now I'm going to change it to tall. I want the shape to be a tall picture. You could also change the color if you were looking for a certain color in your image. Transparent, black and white, full color, or any color. So it might pull up any of these things. And let's say you specifically want a photograph. There's other options here as well. And just those three little changes, and we are going to search again. So now there are more pictures, and they're different. There are some different images that you could choose from. Okay. Now let's say you're not doing weather, you're doing animals. Well, you could do the same thing with a project on animals. And if you wanted to narrow it down, you can do that as well. So I'm going to do butterflies, and I'm going to leave the rest. So it's going to show me different images. One more thing I want to show you is I can change this to line drawing to get a different kind. Oh, I got to go back. I want to also change it to black and white. There we go. And you're going to see that even different images are now here. Let's say you want to print this as a coloring page or labeling page for like a diagram. They do also have categories up here that you could search for something that comes up that you're looking for rather than doing that advanced search. And then I just wanted to show you the clip art version too. So now I'm looking for clip art. And you might get some other choices. I want to go back to weather just for a moment to show you, just by typing in weather and severe in the Google Images search bar, again, these categories come up. So maybe you know right away that as a student you want tornado. So you can click on that button and there's already tornado. Now you might think, well, why are they all in black and white? Well, that's because it is still on search for black and white. So if I wanted now something in color, then I need to go back to my settings in the advanced search, and now it'll give me a mix of any kind of image because I selected any color. They are still tall because that's the size that I selected. If I wanted to change that, just to give you an idea of a different size, I could do square. And now it's going to show you those images in that square shape. The possibilities for using the Google image search are endless. And the more specific or detailed you're looking for, using that advanced search can really make that happen very quickly.